Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can check your credit balance on the Temu website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to the Temu website, and after that we need to create our account. And after the creation of our account, simply we have to go to this profile icon. And after going to this profile icon, as you can see, you will be able to see the option for the credit balance here. So we have to click on the credit balance. And after clicking on the credit balance, we will be redirected to the sum option. So as you can see, total USD, you will be able to see your all balance here. Currently we don't have any kind of balance because I have created a recently account and I haven't deposited any kind of amount. As you can see, you will be able to see your all history here, like the date, description, amount, that how much money you have spent, how much orders are active, and these all information you will be able to see these all information here. So in this way you can track your balance. In this way you can check your credit balance on the TeamU website. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.